it's me, 25 GY, and today I have a fidget spinner. And I got this from Walgreens, and you can actually get these at Five Below, 7-Eleven, Walgreens, Dollar Tree, all those places. And today we're gonna see how we're gonna see how long this fidget spinner spins. And if I didn't, I don't think I said this already, but we're gonna see how long this fidget spinner can spin. And I know it's kind of loud in the background. The people behind those trees are cutting the grass. Anyways, I got this from Walgreens in Chesterfield, and it was only $6, and we're gonna see how long it's been. So let's go. Wait. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, it looks like it's gonna slow down, 84, 85, 86, 87, shut up, 88, 87, 88, I'm kidding, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101. So that's fine for 101 seconds. Basically 100. But anyways, please like this video if, alright, so I'm gonna get a less, be quiet. Okay, I said be quiet. Okay, so if you, so in order to like this video, I want you guys to like this video if you like this color. And if you like this color of my fidget spinner, and also like this video if you have a fidget spinner, and tell me where you got yours from in the comments. And another thing that you can also tell me, neighbors. Oh, no, not neighbors. Okay, and another thing you can also tell me is how much it costs. But please like my video and all my other videos. Please. I'm trying to make it. My first goal is to make it to 100 subscribers, and then my second is to make it up to 500 subscribers, and then after that it's gonna be like 900, and after that it's gonna be like 1,000 and stuff like that. So can you please share this video with your friends and family? And until next time, see you guys later. Bye.